In today's video, let me show you the way that you transfer music from your Spotify playlist inside of YouTube Music. If you want all of your playlists or some of your playlists from your YouTube Music and want to transfer it into YouTube Music, you cannot do it from within these platforms. But however, there is a platform that allows you to do it. For that, you need to open up a new web browser and search for Tune My Music. This is an offshore platform which allows you to transfer music from all of these different sources. So first of all, what you need to do is click on the Spotify option and make sure that you log into your Spotify account. Once you've been logged in, you can click on the load from Spotify account, and then you can just select these songs or these playlists that you're trying to move into YouTube Music, and then click on choose destination. This way you can now click on YouTube Music. Make sure you log into your Google account where YouTube Music is connected, and then click on start transfer. And as you can see, the transfer process now has started, and after all of this is completed, you'll be able to see all of your playlists that you just selected from Spotify inside of your YouTube Music app. You can also do this process from your phone, but the easiest way is going to be through a web browser because it is going to be easier for you to navigate. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to transfer playlists from Spotify to YouTube Music. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.